Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and if you are new to my channel then please एक moment लीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video I am going to switch my genre to health because I feel like whatever we are doing, we are applying makeup, DIYs, whatever we are doing, if our health is good then only anything is going to look good on you. As I totally agree with the phrase that health is wealth. Yes, absolutely health is wealth. So everyone must concern about their health. So in this video what I am going to share with you is going to be this vitamin and mineral supplement from Healthvit, and here it is written as flat 50%. So initially I am telling you, rush to Health Card, Flipkart or Amazon or on the site of Healthvit because they are going to offer flat 50% on these mineral and vitamin supplement from 1st December to 7th December. So just rush now if you are totally concerned about your health. And now I'm going to talk about these three products which I have received, and the first one is going to be with Biotin 10,000, and it is Biotin 10,000 mcg. So here it is a maximum strength, supports carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism, also for healthy hairs, scalp and skin, and this is costing for rupees 900. So if they are going to offer flat 50%, so you can guess the price. So I have used it previously for my nails because my nails were getting this on the middle, so that's because I used, and I am loving this. It's because after using it for continuously 15 days I have seen a result, so that's why I can comment it on easily. First of which can come in our mind is it's a tablet, so can we take it? So first of all, if you are pregnant or if you are taking any medicines for any further problems, don't take it. Consult your physicians before taking it, and if you are having a good health condition then you can easily go ahead with it. The doses are mentioned here so you can see and you can take according to your needs. If you are doing gym and all, you can easily go ahead with this biotin capsule. It will definitely help you. So you can head to Healthvit website and then Health Card, Flipkart and Amazon to avail this 50% discount from 1st to 7th December. So regarding Healthvit, I want to tell you something from which I am really impressed, and this is the India's largest range of vitamin supplement products, and they are making this for men, women, kids and adults, and they have vitamin B, C, D, calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, biotin, melatonin and everything which is good for your health. So Healthvit is a very well-known brand, and I have used several products for my face like charcoal peel off mask and activated charcoal. I have done a review for activated charcoal also, so you can see that also. I'll put it in the I button or in the description box. Now the second product which I'm going to tell here is the Healthvit vitamin B12, and this is 500 mcg. So it is for vitamin B12 deficiency, produces RBC, that is red blood cells, and maintain good health for energy production. So if you are going to gym, you can go ahead with it. It will definitely help you to gain more energy, and this is costing for rupees 400. Again, if they are offering 50% discount, it's just a steal. You can head to their website and purchase these things. And now a little bit about this vitamin B12. So if you are having anemia, you must have heard this term. Like if you are having that hemoglobin problem, you can eat this. If you are having bone problem, you can eat this. If you are having like less energy, if you are going to a hectic schedules, you can go ahead with it. Now the third one is going to be this Healthvit Veravit Aloe Vera 470 mg, and here it is promotes stomach and liver health, antiseptic skin cleanser, promotes healthy skin. So whenever my eyes are watching these statements, healthy skin, healthy scalps, I'm really feeling very good. Now even though I am following proper skincare regime, still my skin is sometimes performing bad. That's solely because of my health. So I'm really happy to see this thing, because now this is going to be something for healthy skin also, and this is costing for rupees 600, and you can take once or twice. And here it is in a Veravit capsule contain aloe vera, which is known for healing and soothing properties, antiseptic skin cleanser. It's antimicrobial action, kills bacteria and fungal infections, pimples and other dermal disorders, and all those things which is good for your skin. So if you are having heavy breakouts, if you are having pigmentations problem, that can be due to this health issues. Not only your skincare routine is responsible for those breakouts, sometimes your health is also affecting. With this I wrap up my video. I hope you find this video helpful and valuable, and if you have any queries, definitely comment it down. Till then, take care guys. I will see you guys in the next one.